In this video, I will discuss what to provide for us in order to prepare your tax return. Remember, this list is not all-inclusive, but covers the basics. So let's get started. First, we will need your W-2. This form shows all of the income you received from your employer or your day job. Here's what that form looks like. Second, we will need your Form 1099 Miscellaneous. This will show any royalties you received, as well as any income where you made over $600 for the year, from gigs, for example. Here's what that form looks like. Third, we will need Form 1099 INT. The 1099 INT will show any interest you received from banks. Fourth, we will need Form 1099 DIV. This shows any income you received as dividends from investments you hold, such as stocks. Here's what that form looks like. Fifth, we will need Form 1099-G. This shows the amount of any state tax refunds you received last year, and also if you were unemployed at any time last year, this form will show the unemployment compensation you received from the state. Sixth, we will need Form 1099-R. This form shows the amount of income from retirement accounts, such as pensions, IRAs, 401ks, and 403bs if you withdrew money from your account. While you should only withdraw from your retirement account after you've reached the age of 59 and a half, if you needed the cash last year and it wasn't retirement time, you will likely receive a 10% penalty for this automatically unless you qualify for one of the exceptions. Seventh, we will need the total amount of cash and/or checks you received last year. This includes money you received under the table, too. Be sure to include PayPal payments you received as well as any direct deposits you received from providing products such as CDs and merchandise or services such as gigs. So those are the most common income types. Now let's talk about deductions and expenses. Number 8. If you had medical expenses, including insurance premiums, include those costs. Prescription drugs and copays are also part of the medical expenses that you should provide. Don't forget to also include dental and vision expenses as well. 9. Please provide expenses for the use of your home. If you're a homeowner, this will include your mortgage interest statement from your lender. This statement will also include the amount of real estate taxes and property mortgage insurance you paid. If you're using a portion of your home for business or have an office or studio, please provide the square footage of that space and the total for your home. You will also benefit from including your total utilities and repairs and maintenance. 10. Please provide your 1098-T or 1098-E forms. These include the total student loan interest you paid last year and/or the amount of tuition you paid. You may also include receipts for books and materials you purchased. Remember, any courses you take may qualify. You don't have to be a full-time student to take advantage of the education and courses deduction. 11. Charitable contributions may be deductible. Although most people think of the religious deduction, organizations such as universities, science, medical, and other qualify as charities as well. Your donation may have been in cash or in property, so please send us the details regarding your donation. However, remember, donations to campaigns such as Kickstarter are not considered charitable contributions unless the organization is a charity. Number 12. Please provide all of your travel expenses for last year. If you're self-employed or if your job did not reimburse you for job-related travel, this includes travel by plane, train, bus, as well as any gas, oil, repairs and maintenance, and baggage fees. However, this does not include any travel to and from your job on a day-to-day basis. 13. Please provide all of your meals and entertainment expenses from last year. Yes, that includes all of the healthy broccoli and carrots you consumed while on tour. If you're employed and your employer did not reimburse you for job-related travel or meals and entertainment, include those amounts too. However, if you were self-employed, please provide the total you spent last year for meals and entertainment. 14. If you have children or other dependents, please provide your care provider's information, including name, address, and ID number, along with the amount you paid during the year. If you produced an album last year, please also include all album-related expenses, such as advertising and marketing, studio rental, mixing and mastering fees, CD production, producer and session musician fees as well. If you have any questions, please email them to info@growthgroup.com or call 301-744-8294. Also, be sure to follow us on Twitter @growthgroup. Remember, be positive, chase your dreams, take smart risks, and unleash your creativity. God bless.